Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team, taking a look at your forecasts and where it'll be warm and cloudy across the state on Sunday. And we're still tracking that snowpack and really the snow melt this time of year. So take a look at the numbers right now. And in the beginning of May, you want all these numbers to be as close to 100% as possible. Obviously, we're not there, even though we had a nice cool pattern and even a little bit of snow in the mountains over the last 8 days. We're still in dire straits here, but not as dire because it did slow the melt. We already had the lowest peak in history. That was back on March the 12th. And the earliest melt is what we're watching now. The record earliest melt, June the 4th. Coming into April, it looks like we were going to destroy that record, but now with this cool pattern, plus one more cold storm coming Tuesday, we could come at least closer to this June 4th record. Maybe still break it, but come closer. So a little concerning still, but much better than what it was when we started April. We will have warm temperatures across the state on Sunday, although this will come with quite a bit of cloud cover across the entire state. So even these 74, 78 in Greeley could come with quite a bit of cloud cover. So we'll take a look at that on the modeling here. By 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we will definitely have quite a bit of cloud cover, most of the state covered with clouds. We could even see a few sprinkles of rain across the Front Range and some of the higher terrain in the mountains, but not really any measurable precipitation going to be likely on Sunday. It'll be Monday morning where we have this wave of energy come through the mountains, and that could deliver a few a little bit more substantial amount of rain and even some snow in some spots, but it won't be until Monday late night into Tuesday where things really start to change. This is Monday afternoon, by the way. Here we're looking at the good chance to see some isolated rain and thunderstorms across the Front Range. So good chance that some of us are going to get some rain early on Monday. It's all out in front of this storm system that's developing. We'll have a cutoff low coming out of the East Pacific, and that will look to rejoin its parent trough here to the north, and they could merge together right over the state of Colorado, bringing the cold air from the north and the moisture out of the East Pacific. So we've got at least a very good chance to see some more good snow across the mountains and some rain across the Front Range and the eastern plains. And that's why we do have a potential weather impact alert for you on Tuesday. It'll look like winter in much of the mountains, and down here close to the Front Range, we could see a mix or even some accumulating snow is possible. We haven't had May snow in 4 years here in Denver, so it is possible, especially into Wednesday morning. If that moisture lingers a little bit longer, we'll get those cold temperatures on Wednesday morning. So that's just alerting you to the potential that that storm could have an impact on you. Once you get through this cold storm, we'll get quickly back into the 70s with some sunshine going into next weekend. There will be a storm system in our area next weekend, but for right now, it looks just like some isolated afternoon thunderstorms. That is your forecast. I hope you all have a real nice Sunday.